Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about what is computer. Computers are everywhere, at work, at school and at home. Basically, computers are a primary means of local and global communication for billions of people. Consumers use computers to correspond with business employees, with other employees and customers, students with classmates and teachers, and family members and military personnel with friends and other family members. In addition to sending simple notes, people use computer to share photos, drawing, documents, calendars, journals, music and videos. Through computers, society has instant access to information from around the globe. So, as technology continues to advance, computers have become a part of everyday life. People also spend hours of leisure time using a computer. They play games, listen to music or radio broadcasts, watch or compose videos and movies, read books and magazines, share stories. So, a computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instructions stored in its own memory that can accept data, process the data according to specified rules, produce results, and store the results for future use. I hope so you understood this simple concept about computer. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.